Namaste to everyone. Values. Values make us as a human being. More than what we are following, values teach us why we are following it, why we believe in following those values. The way I want to see myself or feel as a human being, those are my values. The way I want my child or my student to understand life and react and do for the society or for himself or herself, that is value. 20th October, we celebrated World Value Day. It's so important for us to understand values in our lives. Keeping these things in mind, we felt that why not having an interactive session with our parents and children on these values. What are our children learning? How are they feeling? How are they growing up? What is my contribution as a teacher, or what is our contribution as parents in a child's life? Let us all have a wonderful time understanding these questions. These are all very volatile. If we are not experiencing, we are not understanding what we are going to get it. Keeping that in mind, we are arranging one wonderful day of value-based interaction with our parents and with our children. I wholeheartedly want to welcome you for this Saturday's program, which is conducted by Mr. Mayank and from Value Education to satisfy all these questions, to make our life much more worthy and to make us understand the value of values in our day-to-day life. Let us all meet for this wonderful occasion of value-based interaction. Thank you, parents.